President, Dr. Sulaiman Shahabuddin, who will open up this afternoon session. Dr. Shahabuddin.
Thank you, Gitonga. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And I'm sorry that you have to listen to me a second time. I really apologize. Let me start by welcoming our Principal Secretary, Ms. Aurelia Rono, who is the Principal Secretary for the State Department of Parliamentary Affairs within the Office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary. She serves an important position. She is the link between the executive and the parliament. So welcome, and she is representing our Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, who is the Prime Cabinet Secretary of the Government of the Republic of Kenya. Also want to recognize Mr. Amin Mauji, who is the diplomatic representative of the Arkan Development Network and also a member of the AQ Board of Trustees, and other distinguished guests who are all present today. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you, and Assalamu alaikum. So first of all, on behalf of all of us at the university, I want to thank the Principal Secretary. Her presence here shows us her graciousness. I know that she came at very, very short notice. And also, it is a testimony to the importance of the subject that all of us are discussing, which is the digital transformation in Kenya. In February this year, I had the honor of accompanying Princess Zara Khan to meet His Excellency President Ruto, and I could see that the President's passion for digital Kenya was very, very clear and very, very strong. And we also spoke about the ongoing collaboration and ongoing work of the Arkan University and the Arkan Development Network. And I just want to let you know, Madam Secretary, that we are very appreciative of the support that we receive from the government of Kenya to the Arkan Development Network, to the Arkan University, that allows us to carry on our mission and our mandate. So ladies and gentlemen, we know that Kenya has been at the forefront of Africa's digital transformation process. And a very important reason for this is the government's vision and the support that it has provided. It has helped to create what Arkan University's founder and chancellor, His Highness the Arkan, has described as an enabling environment. Without an enabling environment, private institutions would struggle to find their footing. With it, the private sector pushes off like a sprinter and races ahead. Yesterday, we had the pleasure of having the Cabinet Secretary, Eliud Owalo, who joined us for the opening of this conference. He very clearly, and I must add very passionately, presented Kenya's digital master plan. And we can see that the government of Kenya is working very hard, and his ministry is working very hard and with great ambition to create a future in which people and institutions are empowered and equipped to propel the country forward. We see great efforts to expand digital infrastructure, to expand government services online, to equip people with relevant skills, to promote advanced business, and to enact supportive legislation. I'm very proud to say that the Arkan University and the Arkan Development Network have also been at the forefront of digital transformation in East Africa. We are the largest shareholder in the CCOM cable that greatly expanded broadband access in Kenya and its neighbors. Without access to power, there can be no digital transformation. Hydropower projects built by the Arkan Development Network and its partners produce nearly half of Uganda's power. Last year, the Arkan University Hospital became the first hospital in the region to adopt an integrated electronic health record system. And our suppliers, the solution providers, Meditech, are also present here with us, all the way from South Africa and from the United States. The electronic health record system will help us provide better, safer, and more efficient care for our patients. It will enhance our ability to deliver cutting-edge research and evidence-based medicine that will improve the health of populations and clinical care far beyond the hospital's walls. At AKU, we love to become the first to do something, but we never want to remain the only ones to do it. Instead, we want to spark that ignites the imagination of other organizations to share what we have learned and to learn from others. Over the last 2 days, we've had the privilege of hearing from local, regional, and international leaders in cybersecurity, data, digital governance, artificial intelligence, and more. We have discussed the need to expand technology, to accelerate adoption of new tools, to foster local discovery, and to manage disruption. It's been stimulating, enlightening, and I would like to thank everyone who has participated in these couple of days, those who have come in from Kenya, who have come in from the region, and who have traveled from outside of Eastern Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, much remains to be done. If we can sustain the energy and the impulse to connect and share ideas that have been on display here, we can all help to deliver the digital transformation that East Africa needs. With those few words, thank you very much. And once again, Madam Principal Secretary, welcome to the Arakan University and to this conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, President Shahabuddin, for those opening remarks.